Guys.
Guys.
There's literally a new location.
Here's a
on
new
the
update,
map.
guys. The new update is in Animal Company. There's a gigantic red tube, and what is this? What in the world is this?
I just died.
When you go inside, you died? Wait, what the heck? You get 100. You need to put silver to earn? Look, come here.
That's easy.
You have to earn this hat of these and these?
Uranium in. Alright, we gotta go to sewers. We gotta go to sewers
But
and
guys,
we gotta go whatever.
we gotta tell you something. Look, they just brought it back. You'll see, guys. 3, 2, 1. The OG reindeer. It came back. It came from
I honestly can't believe it came back. If that comes back, then I know what else is gonna come back.
Polar bear.
No, I'm not. I swear, if they bring back polar bear, I'm gonna be so mad. That was the first $10 bundle.
But I don't even have that.
All right, Stone, get your stuff. We're gonna go mining first, and then we're gonna go hop in the stash, and then we're gonna just and then we're gonna go to sewers once we hop in the stash because it's like a shortcut.
Wait. So how much you have to collect?
Alright, bro, silver is gonna be
So we gotta go sewers. You have to earn 50. Wait.
Alright, let's go, bro.
I think you have to earn like. I'm just gonna bring a backpack just in case. If you need like a lot.
What? Oh.
Just
we need 2 backpacks.
Yeah, just bring a backpack so if there's actually you have to bring more. Oh, I thought you said we're going to sewers first. Hey. I'm doing a
I always save this when they do this to mines. Okay, this way. Oh, definitely not the way where the spider goes.
Oops, Spooderman. He's right over there.
Bro, put your thing on your hip slope so you don't damage me.
I know. But where the heck is...
It's Spooderman location. You gotta go with Spooderman.
We have to go to Spooderman. Are you serious?
Oh no, right here.
Oh, finally. I'm gonna mine research points. Right. Don't fall. Turn it, won't fall. There's so many. I think we gotta collect them, so.
Oh, yo, Solo, where are you?
I'm collecting these.
Take this. Maybe we should get a ton of stuff actually. Because like complete stuff like that. Gotta get silver.
Hold up. I need to mine this. Darn it! My pickaxe! It just flung away. My pickaxe just flung away. Sorry guys, we're back because we're kind of stuck, so we had to cut the whole video, so we might have had to delete that. So we gotta find a... Oh shoot, he's right there.
Bro, you need can you be like the thing that you know, like the flashlight where you just like do that?
How about this one? Oh gosh.
Go up. Come.
Bro just ran away.
No, we can't go there. Are you serious? Mimics there?
Bro, you super. Then where we're supposed to? No, I dropped my I dropped my glow stick. Oh crap.
So what was that sound?
That might be the girl because. Bro, I told you not to turn on.
Alright. I think
guys,
that you just took his girlfriend. But why does it have to be so hard to just get something called uranium? Alright, come on.
Okay, come on. Let's just go. We're just not be scary cats. I was about to get the box. Yeah, the mimic is blocking our way, and he's trapped. Dude,
are you serious right now?
what are we supposed to do? Hold up, let me mine these.
Okay, I have this one, and then
No, mine's mine. That's mine.
But
Bro, it's mine.
there's another one. Alright, you can have it.
Get your, yeah, give me that. Yeah, bro, give me that. That's.
But this causes light. This is.
No, it doesn't cause light.
Alright. Yo, go on, you lead the way. Go. Go.
Oh, are you seriously? He's still there. Bro, that's my.
Don't.
My gosh, I'm holding. Duh. Okay, can you just please give me it back, bro? It's not mine.
Fine.
Thank you. You just can't take it from someone. Alright. Oh gosh, he's coming towards us. Oh crap. I'm stuck. Oh my gosh, he's coming towards us. Are you seriously? You gotta stick out. I know.
Honestly, this part of the thing is so annoying because you can't turn on your light.
Yeah, we have to see a stupid woman girl. Okay. Just run. I made it. Just run past by him. Are you seriously? Oh darn it! Now is she making noises? All right, where are you? Oh my!
Alright, so now I know that you can just run past the mimic.
Where's your body?
Go.
I can't. I gotta revive your body. What's this one? Oh, that doesn't help. All right, just run. 3, 2, 1, run! Go down! Yay, we made it. That's hooked like a. Finally, we can finally do this. All right, we're gonna do. Bro, I just got scammed.
What? Bro, my grappler. Where did my grappler go?
Hold up. Oh darn it, I gotta go. Oh, you can take that.
I'll take the small ones, you take the big ones.
Bro, what is that sound? It needs to stop. It sounds like an engine thing, or it sounds like a something, whatever it's called. Can you need to delete that? Yes. I gotta do this so fast because I have to go to dinner. Yes, reach this point. We can get the new grenade.
Oh my god, there's not so much here.
That's so. I just closed my backpack.
Ain't no way I just saw
Me too. They just respawn. And I got company coins, and I didn't get the big ones. My gosh, why is there no? What? I'm doing a video. Alright guys, I gotta cut the video because I am going to dinner. Darn it.
Alright, bye, Stone.
Let's get these last ones. Okay, there's just a... Bro! My pickaxe is just dropped. Great, now I lost my pickaxe. Oh, no.
Bye, Stone, I guess.
Alright guys, I got the video. So I'll call, that is the end of the video, so like, subscribe, so bye.